It does feel cooling when applied, but it smells awful. Almost like melting plastic. Is that what I smell? Hey beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing Boxycharm for the month of June 2020, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Let's get to the unboxing with Angel. Angel did say that she's going to send all the good vibes for all the likers out there. Let's see if we can get to 100 likes on this video. First product that we have right here is Jula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Let's see what this beauty is. It's a good size. Oh wow, look at this. You see that? And this is how it looks inside. Let me swatch a bit. Oh yeah, they are true. It's kind of cooling. It smells like some kind of snack. What's inside? Probiotics to help lock in moisture and soothe the appearance of inflammation. Caffeine helps to tighten and firm the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Aloe, apple, and watermelon provides deep hydration to the delicate eye areas. Blueberry rich in antioxidants. The juicy reviews. It does feel cooling when applied, but it smells awful. Almost like melting plastic. Is that what I smell? So not something I want to put on my face. Oof, that's the comment I'm talking about. Okay, next one says, really loving this. I love the cool feeling. And the next one says, love the cooling feeling after it applied. Alright. The thing is that some of the reviews say it has that cooling effect, and I do feel that on my hand, so I'm sure it's going to feel the same even the under eye. So that's the reviews, guys. Okay, next we have Dr. Brand Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. So this is the tube, and the price on this beauty is $52. Oh wow, that is expensive. You better be good. Ingredients: biotic balancing complex maintains skin's naturally occurring flora for the strengthened barrier. Combines a soothe peptide with honey and tea tree extracts to reduce redness and soothe the skin. Restorative blend of ceramides, fatty acids, and tamarind extract. Provides deep hydration, supports natural elasticity, and reduces water. Time for the juicy reviews. I'm on my 4th tube of this stuff. It's amazing as overnight and also as a daily moisturizer. My husband and I both use it and have loved it for months. That's awesome. So if someone is on 4th tube, it means this is really worth trying. I would give it a shot. And next one says, so soft and does not make my skin burn even though I have very sensitive skin. That's an awesome review, guys. The next one says, my face feels so refreshed in the mornings. Guys want to give it a shot? Please do. Many said they liked it even though they have sensitive skin, and looks like people love it. So just give it a shot. Next we have this beauty right here. It's so big, you guys. It's Touch in Soul Fill Up Orange. Price on this beauty is $32. I think I'm going to use this shade right here. That's orange. Glitter textures. Perfect for creating versatile looks. These eyeshadows are non-creasing and glides onto lids smooth. Guys, this looks so awesome. You guys can see that. It's so glittery. Okay, time for the juicy reviews. Here they come. Alright, it's pretty to look at, but it's just another palette I won't ever use. Oh. Neutral and nude shades are all I wear. Somehow I keep getting these palettes I won't use. Oof, that hurts. And next one says, I know this is a Korean brand, so the eyeshadow is gonna be really light and natural. This palette is definitely not a orange palette at all. Oof. There is just one orange color, which is a glitter. I'll probably will give this away to someone who likes light makeup. Is it so? They just have one thing that is an orange? That's true, you guys. They just have one that's orange. That's bad. And you call that fill up orange? I see what she's talking about. Alright, and the next beauty says, I absolutely love the colors. They're extremely pigmented and a little goes a long way. And the next one says, I love the orange glitter one. Well, that's true. Even I love the orange glitter one. So some people like it and some don't. So you guys decide which side you are. Next beauty we have right here is the Police Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF with SPF 30 oil-free moisturizing natural looking coverage. That's awesome. Matte meets glowy finish, and this is also for all skin types, even sensitive. Let's open this beauty. So I have the seal on, but I already do have the baby cream, so I'm not going to open the seal for juicy reviews. Not the same shade as the sample. I got a sample of this in my Ipsy bag and couldn't believe how perfect the shade was for my skin. But I was disappointed to find out that the shade is not same as the sample. It is a little darker. Oof, wrong shades. That sucks. And someone says, my new favorite BB cream. This moisturizer has the perfect coverage. I always wear it in under my foundation liquid for work days. You could wear it under the foundation. That's a good tip. Great BB for everyday use. Perfect everyday cream when you don't want to put on foundation. Awesome. And someone says, not the same as sample I received. As a fair-skinned girl, the light shade is the perfect match. When I opened the box and saw the bottle when I am using, it's not the same shade. Oof, let down. And someone says, holy grail, this is the best makeup I have ever used, hands down. My skin is oily, acne prone, and unevenly toned. This takes care of all of that. I use a tiny bit of concealer under my eyes and a setting powder. That's awesome. So I think when you wear this guy, you don't need much of the foundation. But many did complain that this is not the perfect shade. And if you get the perfect shade, you're all set. We have this beauty right here. These are the lip liners trio. That's what it says. And we got 3. Lip liners are buttery smooth, which glides on and blends easily. It is richly pigmented and can be used alone or paired with our liquid, matte, or lusher lips. Yes, they can be sharpened. Okay, the shades are Cozy Kira, which is mauve brown, and next is Beau Babe, rust brown, and Natty Nat, which is deep red. I'm going to swatch this deep red because this looks really awesome. Can you see how bright it looks? Awesome, you guys. You know what? Let me swatch all the ones. I'm going to use them anyways. And next one is babe. Babe. Alright, that's a fun color. And next we have Cozy Krira. So these are the swatches, you guys. Time for the juicy reviews. I have only used one color of these liners, but they go on so smooth, very buttery. These colors are great. We'll be using this often. Yeah, I could see what she's saying. These are like must-have colors that I could use with the lipsticks that I have. And next one says, I never use lip liners. Girl, I see you. I don't own one. These are the first ones that I'm using. Okay, next one says, don't like lip liners. Did not want them in the first place, and this is only my third box. I do like the colors, but they aren't even good quality. They smudged and easily wiped off. No staying power at all. Oof. Let's see if we can smudge them. Yeah, they do smudge. Of course, any lipstick would smudge, I guess. I don't know. Alright, but on the lips, I would prefer if they don't smudge, but we'll have to try it on the lips. Okay, next one says nice colors. And the other one says not a huge lip liner fan. Okay, I think we are in the same family. Most of the people out there don't use lip liners, just like me. Yeah, even I don't own a lip liner. So these are the ones that I got in my Boxycharm. So I'll have to give it a shot and see if they smudge. So these are the reviews that I got, that most of the people don't use the lip liners, just like me, and some says they do smudge. So we'll have to try it and see if they do smudge or if they work. Products that I got this month: 1, 2, 3, 4 in the slip tray. So price on this one is $165, and we paid $25 for this box, which is awesome. So I think I'm going to use this one too, this one, and this one, and this one. Oh, in fact, I'm going to use all of these products. I'm so excited. 10 out of 10 for this month's Boxycharm. And please do let me know how you like my video, and thank you for visiting my channel from me and also from Angel. And be good to each other, stay safe. Bye from me and also from Angel. Bye guys.